Hello, my name is Phil Turner. I'm with Anywise Enterprise, and I'm proud today to announce the release of GymBuddy Central. So what is GymBuddy Central? Well, I follow the feedback on GymBuddy pretty closely, and one popular request is to be able to edit and view your data on a laptop or a desktop computer. And the best way to do that right now is a spreadsheet. Problem with spreadsheets is that with data this complex, it's really hard to configure the way you want to, and it's a one-way operation. You go from the phone to the spreadsheet. You can't go from the spreadsheet to the phone. So what about a dedicated app to do just that? And that is GymBuddy Central. This is just version 0.7. It's not even 1.0 yet. So this is just basically the basic framework, and then I hope to improve it a lot based on what you need over time. I'm going to show you a quick rundown of some of the features. I'll start from scratch, so I'll close this up. And you got the icon here. Double click on that, and you start with the start screen. This is where you go to open your database, and there's three ways to do that. The new version of GymBuddy 3.3 allows you to email your database to yourself, or you can even get it out of the file sharing feature of iTunes, get that on your hard drive, then you just open other and you can search your hard drive, find it there, and open it that way. Open recent shows you your last 5 databases that you opened. Quick access there. But the neat way is open from device. If you go to GymBuddy, which I have running in the simulator here, select the Data Management tab and go to Backup. You see that there is no servers running right now. Click Open from Device in GymBuddy Central. It shows up here on your phone or iPod Touch. Click on that, and then that database that was on your phone opens automatically in GymBuddy Central. Let me show you what this guy does. The first button up here is the Save button. If we were making any changes, that button would light up, letting you know that there's changes that need to be saved. Click on it, it saves them, and it goes dim again. This is your Wi-Fi button. It turns on the Wi-Fi server in GymBuddy Central. And if you want to take what you changed in GymBuddy Central, put it back up on your phone, you go to GymBuddy on your phone, hit Restore, and then you hit this Wi-Fi button, and now you see GymBuddy Central server there. Select that, and now whatever's in GymBuddy Central is pushed back up to your phone. Just be careful though, because that will override any database that was already on your phone. And then you can turn this off by clicking it again in case you want to save your battery, whatever. This would be the calendar, obviously. You can make this any size you want. You can scroll through the dates really quickly here with the scroll bar. You can flip through the months one at a time with the buttons here. If you double click on a date with some sets on it, you see the daily history here. You can get to charts right here, the table view right here, or you can add a set right there. You can double click to edit one of the sets right there. If you click on a day that doesn't have a set, you can schedule a workout for that day. These buttons just hide particular columns or show maybe you don't have any groups, so you want to hide that. It's designed to be a click and drag kind of interface, so you can just click and drag your groups to sort those, click and drag your workouts, sort those. If you have a workout selected, you can click and drag to sort your exercises within that workout. You can't click and drag dates because they're all by date, but you can use this button here to go ascending or descending dates. You can also click and drag workouts onto groups. If you want to add this workout to that group, you just click and drag it over there. You can drag exercises into workouts. You can even drag sets into a workout. If you want to change the workout of this set, you can just drag it over here, and now it's in upper body. You can drag it even to a different exercise and change the exercise of that set. You can double click on things to edit them. Double click on the group, and there you see the name and note you can change. You can choose the workouts here, just like that, and you can turn on or off a workout in that group. Do the same with workouts, of course, and you choose exercises. You see all your exercises here. You can sort it by cardio, superset only, regular only, or all. You can edit an exercise, double click on a date, and you see the same daily history view that you did in the calendar with the charts and the table view right there. Double click on a set, allows you to edit that set. Let's see. Along the bottom here, the plus and minus is add and delete. Obviously, you want to add a group. Just add there. Add the group and name and note. Select choose workouts, and you can choose what workouts you want in that group. Delete will give you a chance to cancel deleting, because there is no undo, but there is a revert to saved. If you haven't saved the changes yet, you can revert to the last saved version if you make a mistake. Workouts here, this means charts. You got workout charts here, and you can make this as big or small as you like. This is just a workout volume chart over time. There's exercise distribution by set. If you hover on that, it shows you did 41 sets of that exercise. Volume distribution by exercise shows you of your total volume, how much of that was from each exercise. And of course, you can change to a different workout right here from the same screen, and you can print it right from that screen. This is just a quick summary report for the workout, and you can print that too. Plus or minus is just adding a workout. You can choose your exercises right there. Minus would be delete. Now drop would be if there's a group selected, that would drop that workout from that group. Delete will actually delete the workout altogether. So be careful there, and of course you can add plans and edit your plans there too. Exercises have charts as well. I'll make that a little bigger. This is your 1 rep max for your first 10 sets. So if you want to see what your 1 rep max over time looks like for your 8th set of any particular session, you can see that this exercise only has up to 4 sets. But or you can go see just the best set, whatever set number that was of any particular session over time. Got a scatter plot here that shows me in this exercise the highest reps I've ever done was 12. The highest weight I've ever done is 245. And then a frequency chart here. This is the months along the y-axis and the days along the y-axis and the months along the x. So this is showing starting on December 2008. On that month, I used this exercise on the 18th, the 24th, and the 31st, and so on. And of course, you can print these. You can change to a different exercise, right here. Another summary report for each exercise. You can print that. Plus or minus, you can add an exercise, delete an exercise, and you can manipulate your categories right there. Dates have charts as well. I lost it. This would be the volume distribution by exercise for that particular date, and you can choose any date you like. Sets per exercise on that particular date, and time between sets. Where to go? Time between sets for that date, and you can print that. This will just limit the date, to filter the date by start and end date, and you can clear the filter there. Table format is kind of cool. Let me see. You can select anything by shift clicking to select multiple items, or if you command click, you can select non-contiguous items, and you get what you want here in the sets. And you click the table button, and now you see all those sets in a table format, and you can edit right here. If I change that to 260, for example, it will change over here to 262, and so on. And you can print this in table format too. Plus, we'll add a set on today's date, which is September 17th, or if you select a particular date over here, you can add on that date by pushing this button, defaults to whatever you had selected, and minus just deletes the date. That's basically it. It's only $10. I think it's worth it, even as it is, but I plan to make it a whole lot better based on your feedback, what you tell me you need. I want to make this the best workout log ever, and I look forward to doing that. Please support me by buying it. I appreciate it, and I look forward to your emails. Thank you. Bye.